Good nutrition and regular physical activity are so important because they're the cornerstones of health for children and adults.
Well, the most important meal is breakfast. I don't know, I feel like that's always been, known, but I think somewhere along the lines we kind of lost it. So I really am proud of, Fill Up to Play 60 and the National Dairy Council for bringing that back, because breakfast is the most important meal, and if you do it right, I think you'll be better off as kids, and really all of us will be better off.
Dairy Council of Arizona is a nutrition education organization, and we're dedicated to helping everyone be healthier, especially the youth in Arizona.
We realize we can't do all this by ourselves. We're not capable of that, don't have the dollars to do it, and don't have the resources to do that. So now we're looking, how can we involve the community, the rest of the community, to help build the schools, to help build the children, to help build the exercise, to help build better nutrition, thereby building the community, but also really empowering and creating better students and a better population, a more healthy USA, which is a great opportunity for us.
The Youth Empowerment Town Hall today was established to help bring businesses, community leaders, educators, and government together to really strengthen the cause of helping kids to be healthier.
It is integral that we get the business community engaged in the work that we are doing in the school building. As folks recognize, most states and municipalities, one of the first things that they've cut in their budget is access to that physical activity or access to those resources around nutrition. We feel it's our fiduciary responsibility with the blueprint that we've created with Fuel Up to Play 60 in the school system to bring business into the fold and to ensure that we're truly working together in a public-private partnership. This generation of youth needs business seated at the table to ensure that they can be healthy, high-achieving students, but frankly, healthy, high-achieving adults just as much. The number one tool is the student. When you empower a kid, change happens. It starts with them. We need to ensure that we are giving them the voice, the venue, like town halls, bringing them into the fold with leaders in business, for them to share with us what they think needs to be fixed, how they can be the ambassador in their schools and communities, because we know all it takes is one child. The domino effect of one kid could ripple through the school building and the community and create real change.
I think it'll really help me because it'll help me improve people around me and myself, and it'll help me do well at an older age.
Well, it builds leadership skills as well as helps you stay healthy, and so it helps me to maintain a healthy diet as well as a healthy amount of exercise to keep me going even after I graduate and everything. And leadership is something that I really enjoy, and it helped me with that. I had stage fright, and now I can talk in front of people, and it's a really great program.
Coming out of today's town hall, what we hope to see is more individuals, more organizations, more businesses engaged in helping youth to be healthier, because if we all work together, we're going to be able to accomplish so much more.
We realize one day, and if you put it on the shelf, you haven't changed anything. You haven't fixed anything. You haven't helped anybody. If we can help build this with our partners, with the community, then we will have a success.
I thought it was very informative, a lot of information, yes, definitely, and there's a lot of things I'm going to take back and talk to staff about, and how we can help promote what we do in schools and maybe dovetail it with promoting the Fuel Up to Play 60 with what we're doing. It's just, we're doing the same thing. Let's just combine our efforts and make it easier for both of us by doing it together.
Cultural change, I say, is a commitment for a generation. And it starts with one day and with one step, as we all know, but it's also consistently doing it year in, year out for at least 20 years. That's the way we change something from the intention that we all want to be healthier to just the way we do it, what we call social capital.
These people today, if they leave and just do one small thing different, it doesn't have to be, I'm going to change the state of Arizona. If it can just be, I'm going to have this small impact at my school. And that small impact will grow, because you're going to impact one person, then another, and that's how you get the ball rolling.
One of the comments shared today by one of the people in the meeting was that our kids are our future, but they're also our present, which I thought was a really, really cool statement. And the point was that The whole program, the Fuel Up to Play 60 program, is geared to empower kids to drive change in their schools. So to create an environment where kids can identify the specific issues that pertain to them. So each school, they're all existing under different circumstances, and who better to figure out solutions to the problem than the people that know the problem the best, which is the kids, the students. So it's a really cool aspect of this program. It's about empowering kids to create solutions to the issues they have in their schools, in their lives, centered around wellness. So our job as parents and as community members and business owners and just people that are concerned is to help empower these kids to make those changes.